everyone, welcome back. So coming to the previous videos, initially we have created this architecture using the JSON files, and coming to the tasks 2, we have created this particular resource group, and inside this we have added the storage account. And in the task 3, we were managing the blob storage, where we have created this container and uploaded the license. And coming to this task, we are managing the authentication and authorization for Azure storage, and we'll try to access using a private browser. So that is what we'll be doing today. So let's go ahead and start. So for that, you can see the resource group, right? Inside this we can see the storage that we have created. So if you click that storage, and under overview, so under storage you can see the data storage, and under containers you can see the container that we have used in the before lab. Click that, and you can see the licenses. Click that, and click the license, and here you can see the URL. Copy it, and let's go to the incognito and just try to paste it. So you can see here there was an error. We were not able to access it. So basically we may get an error like this was not found, or the public access is not permitted. This is because if you remember the previous video, we have gave the private no anonymous access. That is what we have given. So that is the reason we were not able to access this particular URL, because it's private, right? So if I go back, so let's cancel it and go back. So similarly, you can see there is a section called generate SAS. So basically the SAS token is a string that is used to generate on the client side, and it is used to grant the permissions to the storage resources. So that is what we are doing now. If we go click that, and here let's see the key one, and the permissions would be the read and start date. So this is the time now, and expiry date, let me give it like for 20, and so let's leave everything as default. So let's generate it, and we have got the URLs related to that. So if I let's copy the blob SAS URL, and let's go to the incognito mode and paste it. So you can see we were able to download the particular license, and we can open it. So you can see we were able to open this file. So since we have made like use that SAS token, we were able to access it. So now let's go back. Let's delete this, and now if we go back to the licenses again, and here coming to authentication method, you can see switch Azure AD user account. Click that. So you can see we were getting an error. So this is because we don't have permission to list the data using our user account with Azure AD. So for sure this is expected, and right now we have not permissions to the authentication method. So for that, let's go to access control. So you can see IAM roles. Click that, and here let's add a role. So let's add role assignment, and in this case that would be the storage blob data owner. So let's search for that. Storage blob owner. Okay, bytes. So let's search for like storage, and So storage block owner, here is the one, click that, and let's select this role, and let's go to the next section. And in this case, let's and the members, let's add our account, which is this one, and click select. So once it is done, let's review and create it. We don't require any conditions. Let's review and create. So we have created a role assignment because we don't have the access to list the data using the user account with Azure AD. So once it is done, role added. If I go back, if I switch here, so it's taking time, so let's wait. So once it is done, we will be able to access it. So I'll be showing this in the next video, so because it takes some time. So however, I hope you guys have understood the concept of managing authentication and authorization for Azure storage. So if you like the video, please click like below, and if you want to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and please share the video. Thank you.